Welcome back to Weekend Smile. Poinsettias are a colorful plant that we see in full bloom at Christmas. To help us with their care and educate us on how to make them to last, a little bit longer than the season, joining us is owner of Turner Plants, Kenisha Goff. Hi, Kenisha, how are you doing?
I'm good.
I'm seeing a variety of colors here. I see red, I see some looking a little pink, I see the bright yellow, I see the not so bright yellow. Are there different varieties of poinsettias here in Jamaica?
Yes, we have about 20 or more in Jamaica. Different colors and different sponge-ish, softer, more pricker, delicate than before.
Okay, in terms of the varieties, the 20 varieties, some of them we have here.
Right.
So start from your end where you are closer to.
Okay, this is the oh my gosh.
So I know we have red, we have the classic
this is
red.
the Christmas red.
That's what, classic red or Christmas red?
Classic red.
That's the classic red.
Right. And this is the variegated red.
Uh-huh.
All right, this is
variegated red, so it's going to turn red.
Right. On the top, you see the leaves are green and yellow, and on the top are red.
Would that one, that's what it would possibly look like, or it's more pink?
No, this one is totally different. This is the marble, yes. This is the marble poinsettia.
Marble poinsettia, okay. And that's because it has what? So many different variety of colors. Okay, so I see green, I see yellow, I see pink, a touch of red, that kind of thing. All right, so this one close to me now, it looks like
specker. That's
speckles.
What it is, speckers. All right.
So it names speckers.
Okay. And some may call it the glitter.
The glitter.
Right.
Oh, the glitter of Christmas. Okay, nice. All right. Okay.
That's the same marble, but in a different color.
All right. And then we have, this one is yellow here.
No, that one is the white. This is
a white.
Yellow. Right.
Okay. So the white is not really white.
No.
It's more like a cream.
Right.
Okay. And then the yellow.
Right.
Looking like sunflower yellow.
Right.
All right. And then we have?
That's another yellow as well.
Okay. And a brighter, not so much sunflower orange, but
brighter.
Okay. So we have a few different varieties here. I mean, what would you say persons love the most?
All right, persons love red.
Yes.
Because it's Christmas.
Okay.
But there's a change where they'll go for the yellow.
The yellow as well, just to give yourself a little variety.
Right.
Okay, talk to us now about the care for these poinsettias, because, I mean, yes, Christmas we water them, and then after Christmas, I try to keep mine for as long as possible, and then when the blooms fall off, I do not know what to do. But how do I care for them now when I get them as beautiful as this?
It's very easy, because one of the things is when you have a poinsettia, first you must ask, where should I put the poinsettia, inside or outside? For inside care for the poinsettia, you don't water it more than 1 or 2 times for the week.
For the week?
Right. Make
no everyday watering? No. Okay.
And give it the light from the sun. Natural light is good for it, not the direct sunlight, but natural light. Make sure the soil itself is moist.
Okay. All right. So keep it moist.
Right.
Water it once or twice for the week. Give it sunlight, but not direct sunlight.
Right.
So you can put it somewhere that's a little shady.
Shady, right.
But it would still have access to direct sunlight.
Okay.
What happens when we either overwater the poinsettias or we give it too much sun?
Okay, when you give it over water, you will see the hen of the plant start to become brownish.
Okay.
Or the leaf below start to change color and dry up.
Too much water.
For you now, guys would say, oh, my poinsettia is not doing well, but it starts to rot from the roots.
And that's just because it's too
much water. You keep on giving it more water for it, because you're saying it's dying.
Okay.
Yes.
And in terms of sustenance for next year and the year after that and the year after that, how do I get my poinsettias to bloom again next year? Okay,
after the season, you will have this poinsettia for about April. After April, you just clip off all the red, all the blooming.
What about when they fall off?
If they ever fall off, once the plant don't die, you can just clip it and just put it in a cool, dark area, and you fertilize it like any other plant.
Okay, the same treatment?
Same treatment.
Okay, so we advise persons, if it is that they want, to let the poinsettia bloom again for next year, make sure you prune it, which is a clipping.
Right.
Right, fertilize it, and when we talk about fertilizer, we need to go get fertilizer to put in it.
Right.
It needs like a plant food.
Right.
Okay. The dark environment, no, why is that so important to put it in a dark environment, not the sun, not sunlit?
All right, because remember, poinsettia is a Christmas plant. For it only bloom this time of the year, and September to December. So after that time, it's going to become green. So you don't want to have it out in the sunlight. It's not going to last for the next year, season to come.
Okay, all right. And we know that it's the Christmas season. We're quite busy.
Right.
And you have some beautiful plants here. How can persons find you, get in touch with you, and purchase some of these poinsettias?
Okay, we are located at 60 Grand Spain off Consent Spring Road, Golden Spring. You can contact us at 381-4467 or 770-9527.
Okay, and I'm sure you have lots more poinsettias.
Lots more and more. This year we don't have like the orange because there are many colors, but we still do have.
Okay, what would you say is the most exotic color you have?
I would go for the orange.
Okay.
The orange, and you have the curly one. That did not come this year.
Okay.
Yes.
But, you know, we still have a wide variety
Right.
once we come and we visit you guys.
Right.
All right, Kenisha, thank you so much for joining us on
Thank you
Weekend
for
Smile.
having me. Thank
Owner of Turner Plants, Kenisha Goff. There's more on Weekend Smile after these commercials.